Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create or how to make a quiz on a Google Classroom by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Classroom here. Okay, now this is the looks when we already in the Google Classroom, and after that we need to decide which class that we want to add or create a quiz in. For example, I want to create a quiz in A class, and after that you just need to click the A class, and now you already have an access to create anything in this class. So after that you just need to take a look on this bottom features here, and please go into the classwork, and after that you just need to click plus, and now you can create any of this. You can create the assignment, quiz, question, material, and many more. So since we want to create a quiz, just click quiz, and now you can add the title of the quiz. Let's say quiz 2.4, and then you can just type the descriptions like you need to finish about what and blah blah blah, and after that you also can choose what type of the quiz. You can like attaching the files here. Okay, so you can just like open with the options that they provide for you. You can add the attachment if the quiz is from your device. You can upload file and many more, and after that you can also adjusting the point, the maximum point, and you can also set the due date. Okay, so for example you want to that the date is 10 October at 23:59. Click save, and you can also add a topic, and after you're done just click done. You can just click assign, and now you're already creating the quiz, and this quiz is already published on the A class. That's all the way you create a quiz on a Google Classroom, guys. If you find out this tutorial is guide you so well, please subscribe into this channel.